Hey everyone, this is Ate Melly and she's going to eat this balut. It's organic balut and she's going to eat everything. Okay, let's see.
Asus!
Everything!
Ay. Balot from ano? From Eastwood.
You sip the soup na. Hurry up. She'll eat everything.
Sarap. Thank you. Sa'yo na yung ano.
I don't know. Everything nga eh.
Ay, paano pag hindi naubos?
Mauubos yan.
Sarap.
There's the balut.
Ano ba pinagkaiba nito sa balot dito?
It's organic.
Ang laki ng laman. Ayan!
It has a duck chick. Unborn duck fetus. Ewan.
Ayaw ko tingnan.
And you eat it with salt. She doesn't want to see it because maybe it has a beak na and feathers.
Ay!
Show what you're eating. There.
Oh.
And then that's the egg yolk. And that's
Ayan,
the
masarap.
remaining sisiu.
Wala, sisiw.
Ayan yan.
Hindi ko tinignan, kinain ko na.
You eat it with salt. Like that.
Etet yung balat. Ano? Etet yung balat pa?
And she will eat that thing, the yolk.
Yan. Yan ang laman. Yan. Yan ang pasalubong ni Bea. Masarap. Mag-ano sa ano ha. Hindi ka pa naiingkit. Hindi na to. Matigas na yun.
And she will eat that also.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
everything.
Matigas?
Masarap yan, te.
Baka matanggal yung ipin ko.
Grabe naman to.
Oh, paano yan? Gusto ko pa.
She wants more. It's yummy.
Alon. Hindi no, tigas na eh.
You eat that, it's masarap.
Masarap nga. Kaya wala na akong ipin.
Or you smile to show everyone how many ngipin. Minatbungi naman eh.
Ang bungi niya sa unahan.
Yeah, wait. You eat it na. Hurry.
Okay na.
Subo mo na. The end. Okay, that's the balut.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, bye. Say bye, Ate Melly.
Bye, thank you very much.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Okay. Bye.
Look.